A perfect 3-scoop day for Gabriella. Your sunshine is in my bio. She's hoping for an extra dose of cute. 3 Sanrio blind boxes. One Hello Kitty blind box. One decorative towel. Three Stitch blind boxes. One comb or mirror comb. Six cooling patches. Oh yeah, you scored a bonus cutie. Legendary gift, a cute nail care set. One decorative stamp. One scrunchie. One Labubu blind box. One bracelet. One pin or clip. Surprise! Sneaked one extra into your package. One exquisite notebook. Two canvas totes. One pad of adorable sticky notes. As always, throwing in one extra for you. One bathroom item. One themed Rubik's Cube. Two watches. Easy as that. Another banger order. You're next, I feel it. Peace.